Someone asks you today, "So, what did you do?"
And you stop.
You know what you did. You woke up. You ate. You went out.
But in English, the words do not come.
So you smile and say, "Yes, good, normal day."
We know that feeling. We really do.
But after this video, that will never happen again.
Because today, we are going to teach you exactly how to talk about your day in English.
Simple words, short sentences, real English.
And we are not just going to teach you. We are going to do 3 things together.
First, we teach you the phrases.
Then, we show you the wrong way and the right way.
And at the end, we do a real conversation using everything.
So by the end of this video, you will be ready to talk about your day in real English with real confidence.
Stay with us. This is going to be good.
But first, can we tell you something?
Talking about your day is one of the most important things in English.
Because people ask you this every single day. Friends, colleagues, family, even strangers.
And when you can answer well, your English feels more confident, more natural, more real. And the good news is, the words you need are actually very simple. You just need someone to show them to you clearly. So let us do that right now.
What about you? What time do you wake up? Say it out loud right now. Perfect. That is your first English sentence of the day.
After you wake up, you get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Say it. I get out of bed. Then you go to the bathroom.
And in the bathroom, you do a few simple things. Repeat each one after us.
I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower.
You already know 6 phrases, and we are only in the bathroom. This is going to be a good day.
Now, let us go to the kitchen. Everyone loves this part.
After the bathroom, you make breakfast.
I make breakfast.
Say it. I make breakfast. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Here are some simple options.
I have tea. I have coffee. I have eggs and toast.
Now you try. What do you have for breakfast? Say the full sentence. I have.
Wonderful. You are making real English sentences about your real life.
After breakfast, you get dressed.
I get dressed.
This means you put on your clothes.
And then you leave the house.
I leave the house.
Or maybe you stay home. I stay home. I work from home. Both are perfectly fine.
Okay, let us put the whole morning together. We say it. You repeat. Ready? I wake up at 7. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I make breakfast and have tea. I get dressed and leave the house. You just described your whole morning in English. 5 sentences. That is it.
Simple, right? This is real English. This is how people actually talk.
Now go to the comments and write your morning routine. Start with, I wake up at, and keep going. We read every single comment. Write it now. Okay, now it is time for something special.
Okay, now it is time for a little game.
We call it wrong or right.
We say a sentence. You tell us, is it wrong or right?
And then we fix it together. Ready?
Let us go. Wrong sentence number 1. I do wake up at morning 7.
Oh no, that hurts my ears. I know. Okay, what is wrong here?
2 mistakes. We say in the morning, not at morning. And the time comes after. I wake up at 7 in the morning.
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Say the correct one. I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Wrong sentence number 2. I am doing breakfast in the morning.
Oh, that is a very common mistake.
Very common. And we understand why people say this, but it is not correct. We do not say, I am doing breakfast. We say, I make breakfast, or I have breakfast.
I make breakfast. I have breakfast. Say it. I make breakfast.
Wrong sentence number 3. I am go to work every day.
Ooh, this one is very common for beginners.
We do not say, I am go. We say, I go. Simple, clean, easy.
I go to work every day. Say it. I go to work every day.
Beautiful. You just fixed 3 very common mistakes that most beginners make.
And now you will never make them again.
Go to the comments and tell us, have you ever made one of these mistakes? Write yes or no. We will not judge you. We promise.
Okay, morning done, error lab done. Now let us talk about the afternoon.
I start at 9 o'clock. I finish at 5 o'clock.
At work or school, you do a few things. I sit at my desk. I use my computer. I talk to people. I have a meeting.
Pick one. Say it out loud. What do you do at work or school? And then, the best part of the day.
Lunchtime.
I have lunch. I eat lunch. Both are correct.
What do you have
for lunch? Here are some easy examples. I eat a sandwich. I eat rice. I eat at my desk. I go out to eat. Say it. What do you eat for lunch? I eat. And write it in the comments too. Tell us what you eat for lunch. We are curious. Write it now. After lunch, you go back to work or school. And then
You finish. You go home.
I finish work. I go home. I arrive home in the evening.
What time do you go home? Say it. I go home at. Now, the evening section is coming, and this is the most important part of the whole video, because evening phrases are what make your English sound the most natural. So pay close attention. When you get home, the first thing most people do is relax. I relax at home.
What time do you go to sleep? Say it. I go to sleep at... Okay. Now, this is our favorite part of the whole video.
We are going to do a real conversation.
Just like two friends talking in real life.
And we are going to use only the phrases we learned today.
Listen carefully, because after we finish, you are going to try it yourself in the comments. Ready? Here we go.
Hey, how was your day today?
It was good, actually. I woke up early today, around 6:30.
6:30? That is very early. What did you do after that?
I got out of bed, I washed my face, and brushed my teeth. Then I made breakfast.
what did you have for breakfast?
Just tea and eggs. Simple, but good.
Nice. And then? Did you go to work?
Yes, I got dressed and left the house at 8. I started work at 9.
How was work today?
Busy. I sat at my desk all morning. I had 2 meetings. I ate lunch at my desk too.
Oh, that sounds tiring. What time did you finish?
I finished at 5. I went home and just relaxed on the sofa.
Of course you did. Did you cook dinner?
No, I ordered food online tonight. I was too tired to cook.
I completely understand that. What did you do after dinner?
I watched a show for a little while. Then I talked to my family. Now I am getting ready for bed.
That sounds like a really good day, actually.
It was. Simple, but good.
And that is it. That was a real English conversation about a normal day.
Did you notice something?
Every single sentence was short and simple.